All right, so what I'm going to show you is the way to do division, the ice cream cone way that we do it in 4th grade. So when I see a division problem, 2,413 divided by 4 equals some number, I know I can right away change this into a multiplication sentence because I know that those properties, that multiplication and division, are opposites. Or you could say inverse operations. So I know that 4 times some number equals 2,413. I still don't really exactly know what I'm doing. So you'll notice on the side I went ahead and rolled my multiples for my 4s. So I went 4, 8, 12, and so on. I also put to the side what number I was multiplying by. That way I know what those mean. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm looking at this question and I'm kind of thinking of this as scoops and ice cream cones. So this side I'm actually thinking about scoops. And this number, which was my divisor before, I'm kind of thinking of that as the ice cream cones. Who doesn't love a little ice cream? So I'm thinking to myself, can I share, and I always start with the largest place value, can I share 2,000 scoops, because 2 is in the thousands, can I share 2,000 scoops with 4 cones? When I'm thinking about thousands, I'm thinking about the base 10 blocks and the big cube. So I'm thinking, can I share 2 of those with 4 people? Well, no, I can't split those up. So I need to look at the next place value as well. So now I'm asking myself, can I share 2,400 scoops with 4 cones? Well, yeah, I can share 2,400 scoops with cones. I can think of that as the flats with my base 10 blocks. So to figure out how many I can share, I need to come over and roll my multiples. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Oh, I went too far. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I'm going to stop right here. So if I look over here to the side, it says I should multiply by 6. Well, 4 times 6 is 24. That's 24 ones. I'm trying to get 2,400, so I know I need to multiply 4 times 600. So I'm going to show that by writing 4 times 600 equals 2,400 or 2,400. Well, to figure out how many scoops of ice cream I still need to share, I need to subtract. So I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so now I have 13 scoops, and I need to share them with 4 cones. Okay, well, can I share? Let me just start here. Remember, I always start at the largest place value that has a digit. So can I share 110 scoops with 4 cones? Well, can I share 10 scoops with 1 cone? If it's just along one of my rods of my base 10 blocks, I can't split that up into 4 people. So I need to look at the next unit too. So I'm thinking, can I share 13 ones or 13 scoops with 4 cones? Well, yeah. Let me roll my multiples. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Oh, I went too far. 4, 8, 12. I have to stop right here because 16 is too large. So I know the most I can share is 12 scoops. So I know 4 times what number gets me closest to 13? Well, 4 times 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. To figure out how many scoops I still have to share, I need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I have 1 scoop left. Well, can I share 1 scoop with 4 people? No, of course I can't. So I need to get my cone ready, which means I'm making an ice cream cone around those numbers that I multiplied by. I get my cone ready and I add a scoop on top. When I say add a scoop on top, that means I need to add up these partial products that are in my cone. So I know 600 plus 3 is 603. But down here, I don't have enough for a group. So it can't be a scoop. So I'm going to give it a cherry. Whoop-de-doop. And that's where I write my remainder. So I know that my quotient for this original division problem would be 603 remainder 1.